Hey guys, Buster86 here. Today we're gonna do an AM route in the 2014 Bluebird Vision. I have some sad news. My 2002 All-American was already gone for. Yeah, fortunately we're no longer gonna drive the 2002 Bluebird All-American. So we're driving a 2014 Bluebird Vision. So you can see right now, we're just going to start our route right now as we speak. So happy Thanksgiving if you guys live in the States or out there. Unfortunately, we can't celebrate in Canada because we already celebrated Thanksgiving. But if you're out in the States, in the south side, I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving in the States. Well, me, yeah, I didn't have a day off, but I did have a day off because I only got a part-time school job, or school for a part-time, which I can only come 3 times a day, so at least I managed to watch a little bit of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, which actually just started, like, this morning. I kind of missed, like, hours of it because I overslept. Kinda almost slept. But it doesn't really matter. At least I don't have school on Thursday or Friday. Because I get a whole day off. Unless I'm forced to get on a bus or somewhat to make videos for you guys. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to make bus videos tomorrow. So if you guys want more bus videos, please smack that like and click the bell and notifications. We might do some bus videos in bus recordings next week, so stay tuned. Sorry if I've never been recording often because I was sick. I apologize if never been recorded or posting at all because, you know, I'm sick. I don't want to be sick while recording, even though I just did. And also, the good news, I feel much better, so that's the bright side. Look at the bright side. At least I feel much better. You don't have to hear me just coughing over and over again. So we're going to continue straight down the road. I'm not sure what time we're supposed to be there, so I'll check what time we actually have to arrive. Anyways, we're just going to make our way down towards, we're going to have to hit Wild West Road, I think, I'm pretty sure. Oh dang, I think I almost hit a stop sign right there. Maybe I did. At least it's better than having a really long bus, but at least you have a really normal type C bus. At least it's better than having an old bus, but at least you can have a newer bus. I guess this bus is not pretty faded as usual. It's pretty cool to have this old bus on the run. Even though I didn't able to get the seat that I want to get, but it doesn't matter. At least you get something that you're probably interested in. Unless I'm used to this route. Never cuts below what route do you have in Broward? What route do you have in Broward? What kind of bus you had and what route is it? Let me comment below because I want to know, because I'm driving bus 35, which is a 2014 Bluebird Vision propane, and also the last bus that I drove was a 2002 All-American Bluebird All-American. I think it was a revamp or a spare bus for a while. I think it only lasted probably only lasted a few days, or until they officially changed the bus to a Bluebird Vision. Obviously, I don't have a big deal with the Bluebird Vision since this was it's not a really big deal than the 2022 IC Bluebird Vision that I had early in this year for the 2022 and 2023 school year. That time. Now I'm driving this bus for the 2023 and 2024 bus year officially. And I heard Broward is announced they're gonna make they're gonna release a a new map for Brower. So that means that Dante is on his work to make the game. So that means we have no long. We'll probably have 7 or 8 months to wait for the new map to be just begun. Even though this map only lasted probably like 3 months, my map only lasted pretty long as I thought because I'm lazy yeah, pretty much lazy, and I just can't even think of updating it over and over. It's pretty annoying. Well, mostly I've been updating the bus, focusing on other things, and mostly a lot of things. Oh, let's go, go. Well, at least as long as we be on time, we should be good. Did we do the AM? No, I think we did not. So we're doing an AM route. With a Bluebird Vision this time, I think. Yeah, pretty much a Bluebird Vision. At least it's not a big deal with a Bluebird Vision. At least the Bluebird's not an issue anymore. Ooh, good timing. Yeah, you can see the interior's more like a... You can tell the interior's pretty not bad. It's pretty cool. Let me know comments below what you think about the bus. Because this is a pretty nice bus, I thought. This is a pretty nice bus that I would think. Yeah, also I'm announced to update my interior lights respectively again. In late, I think it was late. I think it'll be late February when I announced. But we announced we are going to start updating the game. But first, we gotta do the town side map, and then we're gonna focus on the southwest side on the game once the game is released. But also, from now on, everyone else are allowed to everyone else is allowed to whatever they want. They are allowed to use whatever bus. There won't be no route signs anymore since it is starting to get boring and ugly, or things are starting to get really boring with the same old routes. Unfortunately, that will be updating the feature in the well, later in the update. We'll have to figure this out, and if we can, that should help. Yeah, because we have to do an update in the future updates. You know, over time, Valor is actually pretty cool than my game. My game is pretty much basic with at least that one. Ooh, dang. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. That was pretty hilarious. That was not what I expected to be. Okay, that was not what I expected the bus to be doing. It just drift, I think. Is it gonna drift? At least I know what's my stop right now, but obviously I've been practicing pretty often, so I'm pretty sure I should be. I'm right. More complicated with the route, comfort with the route, and all the stuff. This route is actually not bad. I believe so. And let me know comments below if you want. I'm also gonna announce I'm gonna be playing full in game again, maybe. But just because we kind of failed the route thing, or failed to ask my friend to do come over to or one time we did a future video We were gonna do a future video to the campsite, but unfortunately, Gold always has his bus really. His bus always gets destroyed all the time because of lagging. Now I'm starting to hate the bowling game for the bus simulator game. Since it's not doing pretty good as I would think. Since it is not doing good as anyone thought. Because it is not doing pretty good. It's getting worse and worse every day. Like honestly, if they fix the update, I would join the game and play the game. I want to do a gameplay. Yeah, I like this. Who likes the new Goober propane? Guys, who would doubt if Goober propane in 2014? But actually, right now, pretty much most Florida fleet are mostly electric buses. Like guys, obviously. Not sure how many people are still waiting or doing their routes right now. Oh, speaking of which. Also, we are on our way down to our next stop for now. Why is people standing on the roads? Oh, that's why. I'm gonna go straight towards that stop. Yeah, that's gonna be my last stop. I'm pretty much sure. That's gonna be my last stop, and I'm gonna go straight to middle school. I wish I was admin so I could tell people if they want routes and what time they want to arrive at. Like, dude, I wish Dante would accept that, but yeah, I think he thinks I'm actually younger, but actually, yeah, I'm not actually in Broward, or I don't live in the Broward County areas. Because I'm mostly into Salt Lake, Free Nation area in Canada, because that's actually true, because well, at least no one doesn't know where I live, because there's no way you could find it. Good luck finding it, because it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. That's gonna be impossible. No, I forgot it. I'm not sure how much. Oh, it's 94. At least it doesn't easily overheat. At least that's good. At least that bus doesn't easily overheat. So you guys, if you want more Broward videos, please smack that like. I think if we get 15 likes for Broward host a route, I will do more Broward videos in the 2014 Bluebird Vision. So if Broward does do a route or give me 15 likes, I will do more Broward videos of this bus. A lot. Okay, we have only like 6 minutes. I think we should be on time, I'm pretty sure. Should be here on time. It's no. Okay, now we should be on the road. Hopefully we can make it. We only have like 5 minutes to be on time. Or else we'll probably be a bit delayed as usual. Because of traffic. Stuck at traffic light. Hey, there's one of the buildings from the thumbnail. I found one of the buildings from the thumbnail. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Okay, now we finally. Oh my gosh, it's already 7:25. Well, at least it's not Rousey, but still. Kind of pain in the neck if you're comes to driving this vehicle, this bus to the middle school. It's kind of annoying because you're dealing with red traffic lights. Come on. Ooh, we're gonna put. Yo, let's go! There's an little red light. Okay, then we're gonna go straight towards the school. We finally made it to Parkway Middle School. Just 5 minutes later. 5 minutes out of schedule. Finally made it. Oh damn. Well, it is pretty much delayed because of the traffic. At least I didn't get stopped by a single bus there. Or else that would be bad. That will be bad. Drop up the students. Okay, now we're gonna go straight to Darwin High School. We're going to deal with that one. Gotta wait, gotta wait. Gotta wait, gotta wait. Oh, dang it. Go on. Get going. Rolling. Okay, alrighty, guys. What kind? Yeah, you can see the Bluebird I'm driving. Here's the interior. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. comment down below. Let's make our way to Darwin High School, just down the road. Oh, you gotta be serious. Oh, thank goodness. I almost pressed the sleep button. I almost put sleep mode on my computer. Oh my goodness. I almost put sleep mode on my computer. Oh my gosh. If I put sleep mode, I am pissed. Because you know how much I don't want to put sleep mode while recording. Here goes the laundry. Ah, the noise! Oh, here it goes again. I don't see a single bus, right? The last time I see a bus was probably like on Broward Avenue. It's kind of funny, I don't even see a bunch of buses around here. Am I the only one in the game so far? No, it's just me and this driver. Unless he's a mobile guy. We're just gonna finish it up right in elementary school. Which I think I get the middle school and high school and yeah, pretty much. I pretty much like the Bluebird Vision. It's kind of not bad. At least it's not worse than a C or a Thomas C2. Even though I'm not into C2s that much, but I'm into pretty much into let me see. I think I'm into Bluebird Visions and CEs like South Lake Student Transportations, Fleet. Unfortunately, I don't even use the Bluebird Vision since they suck a lot, so I don't use their fleet more often. I like messing around with the brakes. You just hear all the brake sounds. So let me know in the comments below what you think we should do in Broward. Like, we should do like a field trip role play without Dante, or we should do a student role play. But let me know in the comments below what you think I should do in back in Salt Lake student transportation. Would you rather have a field trip role play, or unfortunately we don't do field trip role plays because the reason is because there is no single attraction yet. If we get our attractions, like including like other places, we'll definitely do it. The only thing that Salt Lake does is only they only do have a they do only have like little animal suits. They do have a museum that only showcases dead animals and fur. Dead animal fur. That's the only thing they always showcase there. 3, 2, 1. Slam! Alright, let's continue. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more bus route videos, and I'll do more video content, like more back. If you want me to use this bus, or I should use someone else's bus, just for a video, and then just it's your opinion, okay, guys? Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do. I think once Broward's not doing host that pretty often, I will probably use one of Broward's different bus fleet. But it depends if I'm familiar with the route. If I'm unfamiliar with the route, I'll probably not do it. I wouldn't even think about it until if I figure that out quickly as possible. Because you know how much I don't wanna practice it over and over, just finding the name of a street and avenue and sorts of other stuff that I don't really like that much. So you can see I'm driving down Sunrise Boulevard, going straight to Sunset Elementary, which is actually the last school I have to go, and it's already been almost 10 minutes. I'm supposed to be there at 8. Unfortunately, I was a bit delayed as usual. Due to traffic, you know, like traffic lights. It's pretty annoying, which is pretty annoying because I don't like pretty much how much I have to stop, follow the law, pretty much. It's pretty annoying. I wish there was no traffic lights, it would be cool. So I don't have to do it, but what I would think I would do. So you can see right now, we're already almost to the elementary school, which is in the right. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, that was gonna end up having an accident because I opened my, oh, jeez. Drift! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh. I just stopped it in the grass. I'm the only bus that already arrived. Surprisingly, I'm the only bus that's already here. There's 3 people here, but this is ridiculous. There's nobody around. There's not a single driver, not a single driver or bus around here. The only time that buses came around was a 2007 Tom C2 just came around for one moment, and then I think around Broward Avenue, and then that was the only bus that was there. But we're gonna end the video. If you guys are new, please smack that like button, and please comment down below what you would think that we should do in Broward District Schools. Until next video, goodbye!